Okay, once you're in QGIS, you're going to see a screen similar to this. I want to go over just a couple of things to help you arrange your interface here that might help you out so that yours looks like mine as we go through this course, and so you know where to find things if you can't find them. So the first thing is we're going to go up to View, and in the view, there's a couple of things I want to touch on. The first is panels. Okay, and so what we're looking at here is this is a panel, the browser panel. We have the layers panel here. And so if we go to panels, view and panels, you'll see we have browser and we have layers selected. Those are the only ones. We can add other panels here if we so desire. I'm not going to add any more right now. We're going to keep this simple. The next thing I want to show you is these panels can be rearranged. So I can grab my layers, I can drag it off so it's free floating. I can drag it off the screen, it can free float over there. I can drag it back on. The other thing I can do is instead of having these panels stacked like they were here, can I get it back to the way it was there? So here it's stacked. I can also grab this and I can make them tabbed. And if I hold it over till this other panel is highlighted, now you can see I have tabs on the bottom where I have my layers and my browser in a separate tab. And this is the way that I prefer to have my QGIS set up, is to have a layers tab and a browser tab. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the toolbars. So you can see we have toolbars here. If I hover over this side here, you can see this is the project toolbar. I can hover over this one. This is the map navigation toolbar, which comes across to here. And here is the selection toolbar. So I have a number of these toolbars that are added here. I can also choose the toolbars that show up by going to the toolbars, by going to view and toolbars. And you can see the ones that we have set up here. We can turn them on and off. Now, some of these are grayed out because we don't have any features added, any attributes added to edit. So that's why this one is grayed out. The same with the labels. Now, just like the panels, we can move toolbars. We can add this one to be free floating down here. We can put it up here on our toolbar area anywhere we like. And we can change the order of those toolbars just like that. So those are a couple of quick tips just to show you how to set up your panels and your toolbars, your panels and your toolbars, and how to adjust those if your interface looks different than someone else's. You probably just need to go into view, turn on some panels, turn on some toolbars, or move things around, and you can get a display the same way that somebody else has it.